naturally I wanted to test it out. Got every single blanket in the house, was on the couch, piled them up. While that didn't really feel that good because it was maybe 400 degrees under the blanket, I did keep looking into it, and there was so many glowing reviews on forums, and there wasn't that many products out there, especially in Australia, that was selling the product. So I decided to commit to it. I decided this was going to be the product. It was helping people. It could really make a difference, and I definitely thought it was going to work. So I ended up ordering some stock from China. I got one sample initially, got my girlfriend and my neighbors, she was about 11 at the time, and I did a photo shoot in the house. I had so many skills from all of those past failures that I could launch the store from scratch. I could launch the Facebook ads, launch the Google ads. I could do everything from scratch. So I really didn't need any money to get it started. I had about $500 at that stage that I saved up from doing weddings and other videography shoots. To get the cash for the business, I decided to sell on the stock and bring it in because I had no idea what I was doing. They were sending me paperwork to sign. I had no idea. I actually got caught in a customs border hold. But the Australian Federal Police, they scanned the product, especially if it's the first time that you're bringing in stock. And I remember it was just absolutely devastating. The stock was about 5 weeks delayed, and I had about 400 customers. My first 400 customers for my big business were waiting 5 weeks to get their stock. And I thought, I'm going to throw away this huge opportunity. Ended up getting the email that they cleared finally after just constant emails between border security, and it was just the most ecstatic feeling. I was just off from there. I did about $200 in the first day, $1,000 in the first week, $10,000 in the second month, ended up scaling to doing 1.5 million. Started spending the money as you do. I bought my Range Rover that was always a goal for me as a kid. I remember getting and driving it out of the yard, people thinking that I was pretty young to be buying it, and I just couldn't stop smiling with it. Was able to buy my girlfriend her car. I bought my house that I love. I'm currently looking for a beach house. I get to travel the world because we've just got so many American Express points. So after launching calming blankets, I launched the Hoodie, which took me from earning millions to tens of millions. We have millions of happy customers. All of the team, the 60 people that work there, love the brand. We are inclusive, fun, happy. We make people feel very comfortable in their own home. It's a brand that I'm incredibly proud of. When I look back at myself in school, watching those Nike commercials and how amazing that brand made people feel, couldn't have imagined that I would create something like Hoodie that has a very similar effect on certain types of people and just really at least try to enjoy the process as well. Enjoy the process of learning. If I can give one piece of advice as well through this video is you're not too stupid. You are in a position to make a change in the world, and just enjoy the process. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.